how versatile I am. Like as far as you can put me at any position, and I work hard and do pretty good at it. And then how like linebackers are not supposed to be as athletic as play DB and stuff like that. I can cover space a lot, so I would say like that. Just coverage-wise, you know, since I'm a linebacker, I'm not supposed to be able to cover as good, so just getting that down pat and getting better at it. So. I wouldn't say one specific person, but like I kind of look at like every team's linebacker and see how I compare to them as far as outside, inside, you know, how they play the game, how they like 3-4, 4-3, stuff like that. I would say the biggest moment was last year, championship game. I played my best game. I had 15 tackles, and yeah, that was probably my best game in my career, high school career. So.